Want to save Messenger photos on your Android phone? Then you must give the right permissions. Otherwise, the photo won't be saved. In this video, I'll show you the easy way to turn it on. Method 1. Enable permissions from Messenger. Find your Messenger app icon, tap and hold on it. Now tap the eye icon or the app info option over here. Tap on permissions, find photos and videos option and open it. In some Android version, you will have to open the storage option. Now in here, select always allow all. This will give you Messenger the access to your photos. If you are unable to use this method for some reason, try the second method. Method 2. Enable from your phone settings. For this one, open your phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps or app management. Click on the search bar and type Messenger. After it shows up, tap on it. Now open permissions. Open photos and videos and tap on always allow all. And that's how simple it is to give Messenger access to your photos on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips. See you in the next one.